In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Asana. If you've ever accidentally changed or deleted something in Asana, you know how frustrating it can feel. The good news is that Asana makes it pretty simple to reverse those changes, as long as you know where to look and what shortcuts to use. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic idea of undoing actions in Asana while we move around a project and create a task, so you can see it in context. First, go ahead and open your Asana workspace and navigate to any project where you feel comfortable making a few test changes. It can be a sample project or a real one, but I recommend starting in a space where it's okay if you experiment a little. Once the project is open, you should see your task list in front of you. Now, we're going to focus on the area where you make changes, like editing tasks, typing in fields, or rearranging items. Anytime you make a small mistake here, the main tool you'll rely on is the standard undo keyboard shortcut. On Windows, that's Ctrl+Z. This works in Asana much like it does in a text editor or a word processor. For example, click into a task name or description and type something you don't actually want to keep, or move a task to a different position in the list. As soon as you realize you want to reverse that action, press Ctrl and Z on your keyboard. Asana will step back and undo the last change you made. This can include typing, moving a task, or certain other edits, and it's especially helpful if you move quickly and click something by mistake. You can tap Ctrl-Z multiple times to walk back through a few recent actions, but keep in mind that undo is meant for recent changes, not for things done days ago, so use it as soon as you notice the error. Next, let's look at adding a new task, because that's a common action people want to undo or adjust. In your project view, find the Add Task option, usually located at the top or bottom of your task list. Click on Add Task, and Asana will create a new blank task row where you can type the task name. If you change your mind right after creating it, you can either delete the task or use the undo shortcut again. Pressing Ctrl-Z immediately after adding the task will remove that new task creation, taking you right back to where you were before. By practicing these simple actions, making a small change, pressing Ctrl-Z, and adding or undoing a new task, you'll get comfortable relying on undo in Asana and recover quickly from those inevitable little mistakes.